Today, we're going to be taking an early first look at an upcoming release from Aerotec watches. It's also going to be my first look. I haven't opened the package yet, so we're going to be doing an unboxing. And another first, it is their first appearance here on YouTube. The watch is the Aerotec Ace Bronze Pilot, and from pictures, it looks like a really nice watch. So excited to finally see it in person. So let's get to it and take a look at the watches. Okay, so feels to me like we've got three watches here in the package. I'm not quite sure if this is all of the available versions. I'd seen, I think, a total of 5 colors, but I'm not sure if they all ended up making the cut, but we'll see what we have here. This might be easier just to rip into this one. We'll get there. Okay, let's get rid of some of the mess. And let's get rid of a couple of these boxes and we'll get to those later. Inside the first package here is, and these are prototypes, so I'm not sure if this is the legit packaging you're going to end up getting with these, but actually quite a nice watch roll here. Branded Aerotec. And inside we have the watch. Warranty card. Oh, I forgot about this part. There is a second bezel. And finally, the watch. And this actually ends up being what I figured would be my favorite of the bunch. It's kind of a creamy, silverish color. Got a screw down crown. Nice winding action. I think the movement's in Seiko NH38. But we'll go through the specifications, in an upcoming video here. Nice. Nice engraving on the case back. And check out the handset. Very cool. Let me grab the other colors. I won't go through the unboxing of the other two. No different than the first one, but this is the blue dial, and I love the font they're using for the markers. We've got the Aerotec logo there up at the 12. Signed crown. It's a bit of a chunky watch, but still a good size. These are without taking the calipers to them, just from the information I got from Aerotec. They are a 40 millimeter case diameter, and I believe 47 lug to lug. I can't recall the thickness off the top of my head, but nice looking watch. Signed buckle there as well. Let's take a look at the last of the three. Well, at first I thought that creamy silverish dialed version was going to be my favorite. This green is at least a tie. This looks really good. I did see images of a black version and a brown dialed version of these. I was under the impression that I got all of the colors, so I'm not sure if those ones, again, maybe didn't make the cut or not. But all three versions that we have in here today look really good. These are, by the way, going to be coming out by way of a Kickstarter campaign early 2024. It's going to be late January, early February, and starting price is going to be under 300 USD, which I think just from handling them for a short amount of time is not bad at all. So let's take a look on wrist. And here it is on my 7¼ inch wrist. And these look really cool. I don't know if you can tell through the camera, but the domed sapphire is very domed, which I love. Neat looking watches for sure. Can't wait to try it out with the alternative bezel as well, but we'll take a look at that, the specifications, lume, all of that good stuff in an upcoming video. That is it though for today. Really appreciate you taking a few minutes to stop by, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.